Hi and welcome to this video. This is about 3 levels of paid membership to Property Build Club, and specifically this is about Development Blueprint, which is the lowest level of paid membership, 0 to 300k as shown here. So Property Build Club Development Blueprint, the private network for developers and investors. This is a community that focuses on helping new and existing property developers identify projects and deals, set up and deliver projects and realise their goals. Developers who realise that the development and construction process is full of pitfalls and black holes and where profit can be lost, using a simple 3-step tried and tested system which is proven to work, and by focusing on the key fundamentals, by concentrating on design, cost control, project management, contract management and contractor management. It's a group where everybody is aligned to the same goal: a successful project, a profitable project, and a happy buyer, tenant or end user of that development. And that's run by me, David Hill, with my 20 plus years development, design and construction and project management, contractor management experience, and where the group focuses on implementation and collaboration, not content, and that feels like hanging out with a group of like-minded friends, but with a real profit results to your development business. Who is this level for? Development Blueprint. Well, that's for a community aimed at 0 to 300k GDV, gross development value. The price is in dollars, American dollars, but it could as well be in pounds. And if you've got projects that's slightly bigger than this, it might be of help. Well, it certainly will be of help to you, but you should maybe consider one of the other levels. And this membership is primarily aimed at people or developers doing deal sourcing, land sourcing, planning game, planning permission, house flipping, house redevelopment, self-build, custom build, refurbishments, remodelling, single new builds, semi-detached, duplex, flats, apartment conversions, simple commercial conversions and projects like that. And we take you through the step-by-step system and each stage of the development project, and you'll be connecting with a group of people together who are working on similar goals. So here's how it works. Over the next 12 months, together, we'll allow you to find and deliver your development project using proven methods. Number 1, my development project roadmap, and number 2, my development project delivery system. We use these in 3 separate phases. Phase 1 is the project vision, and in this section we will identify how to find your customer, find your development site and evaluate deals so that you can confidently decide and proceed with your development project. And together we'll not only produce your project vision in this phase, we'll produce your initial business case to establish if your development is profitable and identify the points at which you could exit the development project and provide cash flow to your development business. You will get access to a development vision sprint workshop with me to get you started and to get crystal clear about where your project and your next step are to move forward and get success. In phase 2, this is project design. Once we've built your project vision, then we move on to design your project. We will look at how to secure funding on your project, how to obtain control of the site. We will manage the technical design of your project. We will look at what permissions are required, and then we look at the process of procuring the construction works. Finally, we review your business case to ensure the figures will stack up. At this point, we make a decision to move on to phase 3 or exit from the development at this point to cash flow your business. In phase 3, we create and build. With phase 2 complete, we move to delivering the build phase, appointing the contractor, monitoring the progress, managing the build contract, managing costs to ensure the profit is maintained, and finally actioning activities to ensure the correct exit from the project. Through all phases, we follow this way, the way this is done on a professionally managed development project. You will have access to my knowledge and experience, as well as the collective experience of the group. And as a Development Blueprint member, you will get access to the following: the Development Project Roadmap training, an overview training taking you through my proven step-by-step process used to find, fund and deliver your development project. Number 2, you'll get access to Development Project Delivery System training. We will work together live over Zoom for 9 workshops. Everything will be recorded, and you will have unlimited access to the recordings, handouts, templates as long as you are a member. To ensure we're all working from the same knowledge, it will be done over 9 weeks. I am going to take you through the following system. Module 1, the development process. Module 2, the project management. Module 3, vision, concept, feasibility. Module 4, business case and funding. Module 5, designs and permissions. Module 6, procurement and cost control. Module 7, build and refurbishment. Module 8, contractor management. And Module 9, exit, handover and defect. In number 3, you will get the development project workshops. We will workshop every second Thursday to implement the development project roadmap and the development project delivery system training on your project. Number 4, we will do office hours development coaching and mentoring calls. In addition to above, you will have access to office hours Zoom calls with David every Wednesday at 6 o'clock London time. This will allow you to get support and clarity on the next actions to resolve any issues on your project. Number 5, we get Property Build Club community. You'll not only have access to me, you'll have access to the Property Build Club community, a place where to share wins, meet like-minded people and collaborate as we will work together towards our goal of building a successful development business. How will this help you? This mentorship will result in you getting direct help on structuring your development project, identifying sites, securing funding, design management, project management, contractor management, and other aspects of running your development project and building your property development business. This will mean you will never get stuck, as you will have a community, knowledge and expertise around you who will help you resolve any issue, support you and allow you to move forward. What's the investment, you ask? Your investment for Development Blueprint uses a pay-as-you-profit model. This makes it ridiculously easy to get started. Your investment for Development Blueprint is $250 now, and then payments of $250 every month. This rate will be grandfathered in for life and not subject to future price increases. If all this did is find one successful development deal and sold the site on to another developer without developing it yourself, it would be on you not to make back your year's investment as a finder's fee in just a few months. If you identify, secure and deliver one development, you should be on course to make far in excess of this investment. In property development, mistakes also come with large bills. It's highly likely just avoiding mistakes on a project will make your multiples of your investment back. Love it or leave it. Development Blueprint is a community, not a hostage situation. You can leave at any time. If you leave, you will lose your grandfathered price and you can rejoin at the current normal rate if you choose. Guarantees and promises. Property development is all about risk management. I will give you the systems, resources and knowledge which I have used on over £250 million worth of developments, or $250 million of developments. The system which will allow you to identify, evaluate, secure funding and manage the design and build process and deliver your development. I will support you through the whole process of your development as long as you are a member. I will guide you and provide you with the benefit of my knowledge and experience. you will have to commit and do the work. I will provide a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if at any point in the first 30 days you feel for any reason that Property Build Club Development Blueprint is not for you, just contact us by sending a message to that address and tell us you want a refund, and we will give you back your investment for the first 30 days. So let me run through Development Blueprint benefits. You get a Development Blueprint one-to-one call with David that will map your development and get crystal clear about your business model and the type of development which you will carry out to success. Dial in the ideal development type and how to identify sites and deliver projects. You will get the Project Vision Sprint, a series of 5 workshops delivered online to allow you to quickly get to your development project vision and build your development business case. This is designed to get you up and running, and so you can quickly start identifying sites and opportunities. Development Blueprint Training Library. Every month, the Development Blueprint group gets together to do short training, which is recorded. Feel stuck? Well, post in the group, and together we'll get you unstuck. We'll also celebrate our wins and have a shoulder to lean on when the poop hits the fan. Which, by the way, it shouldn't. Reduced rate on one-to-one mentorship. You're receiving weekly office hours calls with me, regular workshops, and 24/7 access to our smart community as part of your membership. But beyond this, I have an option to get more personal help, which may be useful. You can apply to access me in the Development Circle, which is the highest level of membership, a group of 20 winners building their development business. And Development Blueprint members can join Development Circle at a reduced rate of $5,000 US per month, or $40,000 US dollars as a one-time fee for 12 months membership. Or alternatively, Development Blueprint members want ad hoc advice. You can get a one-to-one video calls and consulting engagement with me at 25% off my standard hourly rate of £1,000 per hour. These are available to purchase as a one-time fee in the classroom section of the community. As a side note, one of the things I mentor on is running a business without emergencies. We focus on important and not urgent. Because we focus on important, it's rare for my mentees to have fires breaking out all of the time. It is likely you'll get all the support you need and more on our calls or our community group. But if you want direct access to the source, then this is the option you may be for you. Property Build Club Development Blueprint. The investment, as I said, is a monthly fee of $250 per month, or there's a one-time fee option of $2,000 for 12 months membership, which obviously gives you a significant discount. I'm only taking 250 members at this price. I have to warn you that if you're in the UK or the EU, then VAT is chargeable upon these prices. So these prices, you need to add VAT. School will do this for you, so the price you join at is the price through school. To join, click the join button below, which if you're on the school group, if you're viewing this from elsewhere on the YouTube channel or on my website, if you go to this link here, click this link at the bottom, and that will send you to the school group where you can join. As I said, I'm only taking 250 members at this price. If you see the price that's higher than this, then the price has gone up. If you see a price that's lower than this, you might be lucky and you might get in for cheaper. Any questions, go to propertybuildclub.com/contact and you can send me a message there. I hope to see you inside, and I hope this has explained everything. There should also be a link somewhere, particularly if you're on my website or on the YouTube and possibly on the school group, where you can look at this document that I've shown you here. welcome to Property Build Club, and I look forward to seeing you inside.